Hey everybody, Allie Craig here, and welcome to Steal the Strategy. Steal the Strategy is a weekly vlog series that we host for EmpiHER magazine that is all about helping you learn how other industries do it and then see if you can translate that into your own industry. Meaning that what makes one industry successful could be a great tool for you. So today we're talking about designers, especially interior designers, and the sign-off process. I love the sign-off process, and I gotta be honest with you, it's sometimes really difficult to do, but it's really smart. So let's talk old school first. So old school when it comes to interior design is that you would create the blueprint, or you would do that beautiful vision board that was a real legitimate board. I remember building these things in school, guys. It would take forever, but the result was fabulous, so much better than a Pinterest board. Really, seriously, so much better. And what you would do is actually have your client legitimately sign the board, the blueprint, whatever it was, and that was what they approved. So you literally had a sheet of paper with a signature on it. Of course, in today's age, no matter what you're doing, if it's a strategy or a proposal, graphics or visuals, it doesn't work the same way because you can't exactly have them sign the file. And though you can create a document that attaches the file to it, it's not the same thing, because then you can always get accused of changing the file out and that wasn't the file I agreed to, and drama ensues. So what can you do? What is so still valuable about this idea of the sign-off process? Even if you make the sign-off process less formal to meet the needs and the time scale of how people work today, because you're not going to print off, let's say, a logo if you're a graphic designer, mail it to your client across the country or the world, have them physically sign on the sheet of paper, and then have them mail it back to you. That would take weeks. And your client wants the finished product, done yesterday for the most part. Here's what the sign-off process does, and stopping and asking for approval does. What it does is it allows your audience to stop and really think about it, and hopefully not rush through the thought of, is this really right and what I want? It also is almost like a line in the sand, especially from your side, where you can say, look, you agreed to this, and so that's what we executed. Now, if you change your mind, we can completely understand that, but changing your mind means changing the drawing, which means more work. So more work equals more cost. Signing off on things, no matter what it is, if it's an order, if it's a one-year contract or agreement, but making sure that they really understand that this is serious, that this is like, yeah, I'm going for it. It's important to your business because it makes them lean in more. It makes them agree with it more. So they're working towards it with you. And also from a professional business side of it, it can hopefully minimize, or at least minimize, the negativity of people wanting revisions or redos or saying, oh, I didn't understand that. It's like, no, we stopped, we paused for a moment. And that pause is something so needed in today's society. And many times we work away from the pause because we're trying to move so quickly to get a project done in a time frame. And so consider adding the sign-off process to your business or brand or offerings. It's just about that pause, that before they say yes, that they fully know what they're saying yes to. And that way, hopefully in the end, you will have less revisions and rework to do, and more importantly, have really happy customers.